To categorize expenses in Rocket Money, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Transactions page. Here you will see a list of all your recent transactions. Rocket Money automatically categorizes some of your transactions, but you may need to manually categorize others. Begin by selecting a transaction that is not already categorized. Click on the transaction to open its details page. On this page, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Category. Click on this menu to view a list of available categories, such as food, transportation, and entertainment. Choose the category that best fits the transaction. For example, if the transaction is for a purchase at a restaurant, choose the food category. If the transaction is for a car payment, choose the transportation category. You can also create custom categories to fit your specific needs. To do this, click on the Add Custom Category button at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Enter a name for your custom category, such as pet expenses or home improvement. Once you have categorized a transaction, Rocket Money will use this information to provide you with a detailed breakdown of your spending habits. You can view this breakdown on the Insights page, where you will see a pie chart showing how much you have spent in each category. Regularly categorizing your transactions in Rocket Money will help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about how to allocate your money. It will also help you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and save more. By following these steps and making categorization a regular part of your financial routine, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to review and update your categories regularly to ensure they remain accurate and relevant to your spending habits.